Service in Morristown has issued a tornado warning for north central Claiborne County in East Tennessee, northwestern Hancock County in East Tennessee, southwestern Lee County in southwestern Virginia until 2:45 p.m. At 2:11 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Fondy, or 7 miles west of Middleborough, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roof, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Harrogate around 2:20 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Cumberland Gap and Ewing. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 2:45 p.m. for the following counties: Lee, Virginia,